Hey everyone, back again. I'm just taking a look at the specs for the servos that I have in stock. I have a couple of high-tech HES 422s that I bought for another project that I never did get around to. So I'm looking to see what the torque output for these little guys are at the voltage I'm going to be running. Running 6 volts, so I'm going to get 57 ounce inches. I'm using this program here by Joshua Madison to basically convert from whatever. It's a great program anyway. So let me get to doing what we're needing here. I need to do torque, and I need to do ounce inches to probably do foot pounds or foot inches. I don't know, foot pounds or foot ounces. Yeah, let's see here what I got. I've got 57 ounce inches, and I do pound inches. Pound inches is what I'm looking for. I want to know how much force I have that kind of need to convert my torque basically to a linear force. And this tells me I'm going to get 3.56 pounds if I use a 1-inch horn on my servo. Then I can get that torque translates into a linear force of 3.5 pounds, which is more than enough. Okay, so let's try to draw out the. I apologize. I'm going to use paint here. I'm going to try to draw out these. Do some measurements. Trying to explain what I'm going to do here with for my damper. So here's my damper here. I've drawn this a little bit off camera, and I have my little arm out to the side. There is my servo arm with a double horn. That's a double horn, but whatever. And then I've got some linkage run up here to the damper, and I'm going to try to. Really, this is just not paint. It's just not good for explaining anything. Can't measure. I got to find something else better to illustrate with. Okay, here we are in CAD. Please ignore the 5.1 inch diameter on the. It's actually got it's a 5-inch circle. My dimensions were incorrect. This is a new CAD program. I'm just not getting used to it. I'm going to draw in some the center hole for the disc, and then I'm also going to draw in some 3/8 inch holes where I will start the cut with the drill bit. I'm going to drill these holes down in these angles, and then I'll use a grinder to extend those lines tangential to the to these first holes out through the edge of the disc to make my damper. This will give me a lot more airflow than the failed attempt at the 4-inch that had just the drilled holes in it. I think I figured this up with the area. I think the area of each one of these veins or wedges will be around 2 square inches, so I'll have 8 square inches of intake possible, which should be plenty. And of course I can swing this from I can go from closed to, I can actually go beyond 40 degrees, which is what these wedges are. So I can vary that however much I need to. I'm trying to, this model space is a little weird. I'm having to color these. If you color them black or white, they show up white. So it's kind of weird. I used to use DraftSight, except DraftSight does not run on this Windows 7 machine that I'm using. I can't get to run on my Linux box, so I'm having to use another free CAD that is not quite as intuitive as DraftSight.